Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that all those repetitive tasks that consume your workday have vanished. The endless spreadsheets, data entry, and report generations all gone. What if I told you this isn't just a dream, but a reality that's already here? Hi, I'm Isaac Asher, founder of Clear Sky Technologies, and I want to share something incredible with you. Just last year, our team implemented robotic process automation, or RPA, and saved an astounding 15 hours per week in manual tasks. Here's a thought that might blow your mind. What if you could automate 70% of your daily tasks? What would you do with all that extra time? Let's dive in and explore. Let me be honest with you. I wasn't always an automation enthusiast. When I started my agency 5 years ago, I was skeptical about automation tools. Like many of you, I thought they were too complex, too expensive, and probably just another tech buzzword to make someone sound smart. But let me break down RPA in the simplest way possible. Think of it as your digital employee. Just like how assembly lines revolutionized manufacturing, RPA is transforming office work. It's like having a super efficient assistant who never gets tired, never makes mistakes, and works at lightning speed. Let me share a quick story about Tina, a legal clerk at one of our client companies. She spent 15 hours every week just sorting letters into envelopes by household. After implementing a simple RPA solution, this entire process now takes 7 minutes. The letters print in household order, making it fast and easy to fill the envelopes while eliminating unnecessary postage expense. Tina now focuses on processing cases and serving the clients instead of drowning in manual paperwork. Today, we'll explore 3 key areas that will transform how you think about work automation. First, we'll talk about the fundamental building blocks of RPA. Next, we'll cover some real-world applications that actually matter so you can understand it in action. And finally, we'll look at how to get started on your automation journey. Let's break down RPA into 3 core components that anyone can understand. 1. Bots. Think of these as your digital workers. We call them bots, short for robots, but they aren't much like robots that you might be imagining. RPA bots are actually software programs that can mimic human actions like clicking, typing, and moving data around. 2. Triggers. These are the starting signals for your bots. It could be a scheduled time, an email arrival, or a file download. Just like how your morning alarm triggers you to start your daily routine. 3. Workflows. This is your bot's instruction manual. It's a step-by-step guide of what needs to be done, just like a recipe for cooking or your routine to get ready in the morning. In a nutshell, the bots perform workflows when the triggers occur. Bots can be triggered by an event, a scheduled time, or even by a staff member's manual request, because sometimes automation needs to be available on demand, and RPA can help with that too. Let me show you how RPA is transforming different departments of businesses in 2025. In HR, bots can screen resumes and schedule interviews automatically based on specific criteria, reducing processing time. In finance, bots can reconcile accounts, process invoices, generate financial reports, or even automate the entire accounts payable process. For customer service, bots can handle routine inquiries and update customer information across multiple systems simultaneously. Let's talk about how you can start your RPA journey. First, identify your automation opportunities by looking for tasks that are repeated daily or weekly, involve moving data between systems or sources, or are rule-based and don't require complex decision-making. The first step is to identify tasks that will meet these requirements, as they will be the first place you want to look to start automating. Remember, your automation journey doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, focus on quick wins, and scale up gradually. The potential for transformation is enormous. Imagine reclaiming hours of your workday for tasks that truly matter. I prepared something special for you to help you identify specific processes where automation may save valuable time and money. Visit the link in the description below to download our exclusive RPA Starter Toolkit. It includes a process mapping template to understand and document your processes, an ROI calculator to determine how much money you could save by automating the processes. Don't miss out on more valuable insights. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell to join our weekly automation journey. Be sure to drop a like on this video if you found it helpful. Want to discover your automation potential? Schedule a free automation assessment call with me personally using the link in the description below. I'll help you identify quick wins that could save hours of work every week. Remember, the future of work is here and it's automated. The question is, are you ready to be part of this revolution? Your business deserves better. Let's make it happen together. See you on the next one.